Here is a 4 kV Resonant MOT stack. There's a MOT under oil in that bucket, and here's a big MOT right there. Then there's 4 capacitors. There's 2 sets of 2 in series, and the 2 sets are in parallel. And this is basically a big center tap thing. Each of these will draw an arc between that, but both of them together will draw a huge arc. So let's put the camera in the tripod, and I'll show you some arcs. They're shorted right now so that the capacitors can't do any harm. Separate the electrodes and plug it in. This one first. Now the loud one. Okay. Now I'll demonstrate that each of them can draw an arc. This is the small one that's under oil. Tiny arc. And the other one, there's not enough capacitors to make this one happy. It needs 3 because to draw the amps that it wants, but there's both of them. Let's check the amp draw on that. It's saying 2.5, and that's on the secondary. But I don't want to overheat my MOTs. I know that big one right there can put out 3 amps. Out the secondary by itself, but that's with a whole bunch of capacitors. So thanks for watching. Always remember to short the electrodes when there's capacitors involved, so that you do not shock yourself with capacitors, since they can dump lots of amps. So just make sure they're touching. And I'm going to check the temperature of it. It's lukewarm, but that one over there is really warm. But yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.